Hi, I'm Eddie Waymeyer with Edified Services Dryer Vent Cleaning. This video is about the two types of cleanouts there are for dryer vents. We at Edified Services will only do a complete and thorough cleanout, but there is another type of cleanout that other companies offer. And they may not use the word partial, but that's what it is a partial cleanout. The red flag that will come up that you need to look for is when they say they do not have to enter your residence or to do their clean out. So they're going to do everything from the outside only. That is the red flag to look for. I'm going to point out what these differences are. So on the partial clean out, what they're going to do from the outside only is they're going to put in their rotary brush or their air hoses of some sort of cleaning apparatus from the outside, and they're going to tell the homeowner, the tenant, hey, turn the dryer on for us. They're going to push their things all the way down, and it's a guessing game. How far are they going to go? Where do they need to be before they get to the dryer, the transition duct? I don't know. They don't know. But anyway, they're going to do this, and their hopes are that they're going to be able to get airborne all of the lint that is trapped and onto the walls of this ducting. In this whole scenario, they are leaving unaddressed the issues that lie within the transition duct, which looks just like this, and is found right behind the dryer connecting to the wall. They're not going through that, and they're not addressing the issues that can be rips and tears, kinks, or other things going on with this. And then they're not going into the dryer. The back of the dryer, where this connects to the back of the dryer, the transition duct, is another area of concern where there is massive buildup of lint. And in order to get that, you have to be right there, access it to get it out. You have to vacuum it out or pull it out by hand. And then the front of the dryer, you've got the dryer lint carriage area, where we see a lot of cases to where these areas in the dryer are in themselves, the obstruction of the airflow is right there in the dryer. And in these companies that are offering the outside only cleaning technique, they're not addressing that. They're not getting that. And that is critical to a dryer vent clean out, because it makes no sense to clean all this ducting out and not address the transition duct and not address the dryer, because if that's where the blockage is, it doesn't matter how clean the duct is behind it. It's not flowing air through there at all because it's blocked right here. We have found kitchen mitts, ID badges, we have found toothbrushes, credit cards, all kinds of things, massive balls of lint and pet hair right inside the dryer, just below the lint screen area. It gets by little and it builds up in there. If that's not dealt with and addressed, then most likely there is no benefit in getting this partial clean out. As a matter of fact, things could get worse, because if they come in with their brushes and their hoses from the outside only, and gravity is not on their side, because if it's wet and moist and they loosen it from the walls of the ducting where it was on the wall, now it's been broken off and it has fallen down here, and it has created a ball of lint right in this area that is now completely blocking all airflow. That is a fire risk waiting to happen, because these dryers are set up, most of them with the safety feature, to where if it gets too hot, the heating element will snap. Well, sometimes that doesn't work and it catches on fire. And if that happens on the second, third, fourth, whatever level, you don't want it even happening on the ground level, but whatever level that happens on, now you've got all the surrounding units affected by smoke damage, and then the fire department will have to come, put it out. Now they're affected also with water damage. A complete clean out addresses everything from point A, B, C, and D. All of those areas are addressed on a complete clean out. Therefore, there is removal of any risk of knowing the unknown has been removed. Everything has been addressed. Everything's been cleaned out. That, folks, is the difference between a complete clean out and a partial clean out. If you would like to reach us, you can, edifiedservices.com or 850-426-2715. We will only do a complete clean out, and it will be thorough and done right. We're a family business, and we thank you for your time.